Alright, we're recording the camera video of the sewer line here at 5508 Northeast Brooklyn, Seattle. The date is June 25th, Monday, 2018. What you're looking at here is about 85 feet out. This is after cabling the line. 85 feet out, there's a massive root ball I'm unable to push my camera through. The cable was able to get through it, water's flowing through it, but I can't get my camera head through it. The root ball is just too big. And we're going to pull back from there so you get a good look at it. It's just a massive root. You see smaller ones there. So minor roots coming in at almost each one of these seams. You can see there's a seam in the pipe. Roots coming through. These small ones aren't as big as of a concern as those guys. See how that toilet paper caught up on there? That's what happens. Toilet paper catches on those roots, causes clogs. Clogs cause the water to back up in the house. There you see again, massive root ball. That hole is where the cable cut a hole in it, but it needs to be cleaned out completely. Big one there. That's what a clean seam looks like with no roots coming in. You see that seam, the two different colors of the pipe right there? That's where a seam is. That's what it'll look like after jetting. Or close to it. Again, massive root ball. Again, massive root ball. Again, another large one. Right outside, there's some plastic pipe out front. Somebody must have done a repair at some point. That's that green pipe. Another one there. Rotate the camera. We're back on the bottom. There's just big old root ball there. So there we're coming back out of the clean out. There's the clean out. Technician today is Casey. So we'd like to get that line jetted out. Get 2 hours of jetting for $9.50. Cut out those roots. I'm going to explain this to you over the phone as well. But get those roots cut out and get the pipe back, having its full 4 and 6 inch diameter, so that these backups don't occur. Alright, that's the end of the video. Signing out.